Hi, before I start, here is me in a voice over telling you कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी। Hey, welcome to the channel। जैसा कि अब आप जानते हैं, अब सारे मेरे रिव्यूज मिलेंगे सिर्फ यहाँ मेरे चैनल पे। फिल्म कंपेनियन के साथ कुछ काम जारी रहेगा, पर रिव्यूज सारी फिल्मों के यहाँ पे। तो अब तो सब्सक्राइब कर ही लेते हैं, है ना? Sad for not a movie review, but
मैं बहुत भाग चुकी थी, अब बस पाँव टिकाना चाहती थी।
It's a wonderful day for Hindi cinema every time a new filmmaker makes a solid debut with a feature that just refuses to conform to the ways of mainstream Bollywood and dares to stand confidently to tell people they have arrived. Today we're talking about Akash Bhatia's Loop Lapeta, now streaming on Netflix, which is an official adaptation of the German cult classic, genre-bending, one of the best things in the whole universe, Run Lola Run, written and directed by Tom Tykwer. Now ये टास्क बहुत बड़ा है. Does Loop Lapeta manage? देखते हैं. आओ. The film has been moved to Goa, which I found to be a genius move because 2022 में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए शहरों में तो दिक्कत ज्यादा होती नहीं है. कैब बुलाओ, ट्रेन पकड़ो, ऑटो में लपक के घुस जाओ. बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. But in Goa, especially usually Susegard, if you're not pre-prepped, you're shit out of luck. I love Goa so much. Savi and Satya are shit out of luck. Satya is involved with some bad folks jinke 50 lakh he has lost and now they have to come up with the money within the hour. So far, so inspired. Akash Bhatia then works with 4 writers in addition to himself, Dr. Vinay Chawal, Ketan Pedgaonkar, Arnav Vepanandur and Puneet Bhatia to open up the world of Lola and Manny and make it as Savi and Satya as possible. There are 3 major subplots involving supporting characters added in or modified which contribute towards the extra duration of the film. Of the 3, the one with the restaurant run by a mobster works the best according to me. Without going into spoilers or too much explanation territory, pay close attention to what's going on with the chef and owner of the kitchen Satya is employed at. So many Easter eggs, it's mad fun.
तो तू betting करने गया and you lost all the money, right?
You know, that's really what Loop Lapeta is. This film is fun, it's a ridiculous flight of fancy. The director's advertising background is visible in his filmmaking, which, while refreshing, does tend to skirt too close to style over substance. Right after the midpoint, the screenplay lags when a subplot involving 2 brothers trying to rob their father's jewelry store, while hilarious, stretches out a few minutes too long. Run Lola Run took concepts like chaos theory, butterfly effect, debates around free will versus determinism and poured it all into a story about a girl running through a city over and over, respawning without explanation. We were thrown in and we were expected to make sense of it, which honestly I couldn't back then. I mean, I was also like 10 years old. Loop Lapeta ponders this carefully. It's aware of the audience it's attempting to reach out to, how much of the original's ambiguity it should retain, along with expanding Lola's world to turn it into Savi's. Now, this attempt is most visible in the animated opening credits, which here are used to tell Savi's backstory. Animation is also used over and over again in the original, if you remember, but it's very different. But also in this attempt, some dialogue, it dips a toe in exposition-y waters, almost trying too hard to reassure the audience that this is not a remake. It's an adaptation. Let me tell you exactly how it's different.
I said Napusa, bro.
Sorry, sis.
Karma ka naam suna?
Who's Karma?
But there are also very clever ways the film sets itself apart. My favorite is when Savi's father says to her, "Mera naam Borkar hai, banker nahi." You see, Lola's father was a banker. I'm going to talk with the director Akash Bhatia here on my channel in a few days और तब हम Easter eggs, homages, hidden meanings इन सारी चीजों के बारे में बात करेंगे डिटेल में. Because if I start listing all of that right now, of which there are a lot, ये review 25 मिनट लंबा हो जाएगा. But rest assured, it is an absolute delight finding these little details which make Loop Lapeta not Run Lola Run. Like find a difference collage, 2 pictures ऐसे side by side लगा देते. It's kind of like that. Taapsee Pannu is Savi, another character who used to run professionally but has been forced to stop due to circumstances not in her control. Rashmi Rocket. And of all the films that we've seen her in lately, this feels like the most natural fit for the actor. She's visibly, physically stiff throughout the film. It's partly because of the character's athletic build, athletic past, and partly because of the stress of figuring out how they're going to change every minute if they want to save the man they're in love with. She's been given a chance to redo 1 hour over and over again, but she's unaware how many more such chances she's left with. It's pretty cool. Like, there's a bathroom scene where she respawns on her birthday like a video game, and like the inside of her brain, it's cluttered. Through the film, we find out she knows exactly which thing is where within this mess. Tahir Raj Bhasin, who's having a moment right now, y'all, is my absolute favorite part about this film. An actor who melts into not just the character, but his clothes, the landscape, the color orange, the changing tonality, borderline genre shifts throughout the film. Partly thanks to Yash Khanna's inspired cinematography, Tahir's Satya is the most attractive sight in Loop Lapeta, literally and otherwise. The entire cast, frankly, is really on point, excessive screen time notwithstanding. Shreya Dhanvantari gets a lovely manic monologue which makes you want to hug her and throw a glass of water in her face at the same time. Dibyendu Bhattacharya is Victor, a mobster with a relatable little secret. TV veteran Rajesh Chawla gets some of the funniest scenes slapping around his dumbass sons played by Manik Papneja and Raghav Raj Kakkar. Everyone is important to the universe the writers of Loop Lapeta create. The taxi driver you see so prominently in the trailer, Jacob, played by Sameer Kevin Roy. अगर फिल्म में जो भी इनके 5-6 सीन्स हैं इस एक्टर के, अगर उनके लिए एक्टर नहीं होता तो this film could have been set in Meerut. He embodies the very specific, almost make-believe Goa this film is set in. That's how important everyone is. Existentialism has taken on a whole new meaning, at least for me recently. Purpose, plans, goals, time, they don't mean what they used to. In the middle of this comes a film which knowingly acknowledges the very fears people are living with right now. You can drop dead any moment. तो जितनी life है उसको अपने terms पे जीने के लिए क्या करोगे? कैसे बदलोगे trajectory? Satya, while talking about God, at one moment looks directly into the camera, into my soul. As I'm both the destiny writer Bhagwan and an active observer film critic, I'm watching him एकदम उसके सर के ऊपर से ऐसे, it's a top angle shot, attached and disconnected from him all at once. Lots of feels. Even if you don't want to think about all of this, watch Loop Lapeta on Netflix this weekend to have fun. It has puzzles, red herrings, homages, lots of room for you to make your own meaning, which is my favorite kind of film.
50 लाख
50 लाख
50 लाख 50 लाख 50 लाख
Now for relation में recommendation, Run Lola Run, obviously, but also on Netflix is Andy Samberg and Christian Miller starrer Palm Springs. That too is a fresh, really silly yet deep take on the time loop format of storytelling. Must watch. Now to repeat सारे reviews अब इसी channel पे मिलेंगे, okay? Subscribe कर लीजिए अभी, right now. Do it. Thanks. Appreciate it.